Hi, my name is Anthony, and I'm going to tell you about my female mosquito, Aedes albopictus, as I like to call her, Pictus. Today, I'm going to show you how you can take care of a mosquito, just like me. I adopted Pictus from the local pond.
An aquatic environment is favored when a mosquito is in its larval stage. Only female mosquitoes lay eggs, and when picking their breeding site, water is preferred. In my young larval stage, I used a siphon to be able to breathe underwater.
You can breathe through your butt.
Child, the siphon is an extension of my bottom that reaches the water surface for air. Think of it as a snorkel.
How much time do you spend underwater? How did you go from water to land?
It's because I am homo metabolist, meaning I go through many life stages. I have been many things like an egg, a pupa, larva, and now I'm an adult.
Does that mean when you have your babies, you will go to the water to lay your eggs?
Correct, human.
Have you laid eggs before, Pictus?
Yes, when you first found me, I was in desperate need for some fresh, delicious blood. So when I asked for your blood, I promised you that I wouldn't pass any diseases to you.
Diseases? You would do that to me?
What? It's in my blood.
But how?
Feed on blood to survive and feed my babies. Individuals are already infected because they have the disease running through their systems. Because of my need for blood, I risk infecting myself and I end up being a vector for diseases that my cousins, like Aedes aegypti, pass on. Unfortunately, this means people get diseases such as the West Nile virus and the dengue fever. Oh, but don't worry, the process of feeding is practically painless.
Painless?
Haven't you noticed that whenever I feed on you, you don't feel my bite?
Pictus, I didn't know you have teeth.
That's because I have no teeth. I eat with a modified mouth part. I puncture the skin and find a vein. There are also proteins that help numb your skin. The salivary protein called D7 helps stop the human body homeostasis and any inflammation.
But why do your babies need blood?
In order for my babies to grow, I need to feed them with blood for them to get nutrients. I lay about 100 eggs, so all my babies need to grow the same.
And how do you digest the blood?
Blood has to go through my 3 gut regions called the alimentary canal. The 3 regions are the foregut, midgut, and hindgut. My midgut has a section called the diverticula that hangs down. It is just for carbohydrates and the rest goes to the actual
No, you don't feed for long, but how do you know when to stop?
My brain ganglia help signal me to not overfeed. It's just like your stomach during Thanksgiving. You get really full, excrete the food, digest it, and then you eat again.
That's so cool. So do you poop out blood?
No, I convert waste into urine by using my Malpighian tubules and hindgut. I'm able to turn ammonia into uric acid in the Malpighian tubules as primary urine. It then goes straight into the hindgut where my rectal pads are used to collect any sneaky nutrients that I need to make secondary urine.
Well, Pictus, you take care of yourself and family just like I take care of myself.